Many times we receive documents and forms that we need to sign. Foxit PhantomPDF provides 3 different ways to sign PDF documents and forms. Let's explore them now. The 2 main advanced and secured methods to sign PDFs can be found under the Protect tab. Here you have the option to sign using a digital or an electronic signature. To sign with a digital signature, you need to have a digital certificate. You can either create one from PhantomPDF or obtain one from a reputable third-party certificate authority. For this example, we will use a PDF certificate created from PhantomPDF. To start, click over the Sign and Certify button and select Place a Signature. The cursor has now changed to a crosshair, which means you need to draw a box in the area you want to place the signature. Choose the digital signature that you want to use from the drop-down menu. If you don't want to allow any changes to the document after you sign it, check the blank box for locking the document after signing. Then click over Sign and save it. Now your document is digitally signed. Now let's look at electronic signatures, also known as e-signatures. To do this, you can utilize PhantomPDF's built-in integration with DocuSign, a leading e-signature provider. First, log into the DocuSign cloud by clicking on the DocuSign button, Log on to DocuSign. After login, the PDF will be uploaded to the DocuSign cloud where you can sign and send documents via DocuSign. After you sign a PDF document with a digital or electronic signature, the document locks further edits or changes. Therefore, if you go to the Edit tab, you will find that the features there are all grayed out. The same thing happens if you go to the Organize tab. Another quick and easy alternative to sign PDFs is by using an image of your own signature. Go to the Fill and Sign tab and import a copy of your scanned signature image to PhantomPDF. Once the image is imported, you can place your signature anywhere on the document. Just keep in mind that this method is not as secure as the other 2 methods previously mentioned. Start signing your PDFs now with Foxit PhantomPDF.